Hello everyone. Have you ever had problems with computer security? Does your internet data often run out quickly? And do you want to know how to protect your system from virus attacks? In this video, we will explain how to keep our computer safe, avoid the system from virus attacks, and how to save our internet data by blocking software connections with a firewall. There are 5 people involved in making this video tutorial, namely Ipul as a script maker, Maul, who explains how to block connection software with Windows Firewall, Lukman, who explains how to test block connection software, Pulitya, who explains how to unblock software as it was originally, and Iqbal, who made the video. We learn about IT, and we will solve your problems with our knowledge in the IT world and based on our experience. Therefore, in overcoming security problems, virus attacks, and saving internet data, we need to block our software connection.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how to block software connection with Windows Firewall. The first step is please type Firewall or Windows Firewall on the search box of Windows taskbar. Next, please open the application as usual. After that, the Firewall menu will appear, and then check the left column. Right-click on Inbound Rules and select New Rule. Next, for the rule type, since we want it for software or game, select the Programs option and then change the option in this program path. You can click Browse and search for application that you want to block. For example, I want to block Microsoft Edge, so here is the location of Microsoft Edge, and then click Open. Click Next to continue the process. Now on the next page there will be 3 options. Here we will select the block the connection and then click next again, and then check the 3 options, that is domain, private and public, then click next again as usual. After that you can name the program rule. You can name it whatever you want. For example, I will name it blocking Microsoft Edge, and the description box is optional. You can write something, or maybe you just leave it, it's okay. And then you can finish it by click the finish button, and it's done. But remember, this is only inbound, so the receive connection will be blocked. And here we must also block the connection that is sent, which is in the outbound rules section. Just right click outbound rules and then select new rule. Well, the step will be same as I explained earlier. Later when you browse the application, just enter the same program. Thus the application that we set has been blocked in the firewall.
Okay, now it's my turn. I will explain testing a block software connection. For testing a block software connection, you can follow my step. First, first you can search Task Manager from the Windows menu, and then you choose Users and click this. After that, open the application that we previously set in the firewall. In previously, I choose Microsoft Edge, and then after the application is opened, check Task Manager again, and then this. From this, we can see that Microsoft Edge network has have 0 MB per second. That means that there are no more incoming or outgoing connection from the system to the internet. This condition indicates that the firewall is work.
So in this tutorial, I will show you how to return the connection to the software back. First, click the inbound roles and look for the application that we have blocked earlier in the inbound roles column. In this tutorial, the application that I blocked is the DVD player. After that, right-click the application, then click delete. Then there will be a message saying, "Are you sure that you want to delete these roles?" Click yes. Thus now the firewall settings are gone, and don't forget to do the same thing in the outbound role too.
Well, that's a way to set up blocking software connection with Windows Firewall. In conclusion, you can see that when testing the software connection, block in the network task manager selection, it was 0 Mbps, which means that there are no more incoming or outgoing connection from system the internet. This condition indicated that the firewall is working. You have to do the step description earlier so that your computer is safe, your system is protected from virus attack, and so that your internet quota is safe. From many step description earlier, starting from how to block software connection, how to test blocking software connection, and how to restore blocking software, your computer is safe, the system is protected from virus attack, and your safe internet quota. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you Mr. Hassan who has give the task challenge. Thank you YouTube for providing a lot of information to make this video. Thank you www.google.com and www.youtube.com for providing information how to block software connection.